Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Yes, today in this video, different job profiles from different companies for us. Work location is Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh and other states. So let's get started. First is Ramesh Hospital. They are hiring different job roles. Housekeeping. 10th class candidates can apply for this position, only female. Overall we had 20 positions, salary is 12,000. Next, IP ward boys, only male candidates need to apply. 10th class eligibility, 10 positions, 12,000 salary. Next we had nursing staff, GDA, ANM, GNM, BSc candidates can apply. Both male and female candidates, 50 vacancies are there. Starting from 10,000 based on qualification and experience, salary will varies. Next we had laboratory, femnologist position. Candidates who have completed vocational, MLT, DML, BSc, MLT candidates are eligible for this position. Male and female candidates, we had 5 positions. Starting salary is 10,000. Based upon experience, there will be a hike in the salary. Next we had data operated position viewers. Any degree, BTech, MS Office knowledge candidates can apply for this position. Both male and female candidates, we had 20 vacancies. Starting salary is 10,000. Interview procedure is, we had HR round. Work location is Guntur. You need to register at in the following link, where I'll provide link in the description. Interested candidates can attend interview. Next job opportunity from More Supermarket. They are hiring customer sales associate position. SSC, Inter, degree candidates can apply for this position. Both male and female candidates. Interview rounds, we had a HR interview. Interview date 3rd March 2021. Reporting time 9 am. Male and female candidates are eligible. 18 to 27 years candidates are eligible for this position. For selected candidate, salary is 12,000 per month. We had 50 vacancies. Those who are unable to attend interview, even you can register at the site. I'll provide registration link in the description. And job description includes taking care of retail operations, managing inventory and replenishment, customer interaction and assisting their needs, and as well as following standard operating procedures, basically maintaining a shelf life. Interested candidates can attend interview by Aadhaar card, PAN card, SSC certificate, 3 passport size photographs. Work location is Ongole. And next job notification from Malladi Drugs and Pharmaceutical Limited viewers. They are hiring trainee chemist, senior chemist position. We had 60 vacancies. ITI electrical mechanical diploma, mechanical BSc chemistry candidates, MSc chemistry candidates, BTech chemical candidates are eligible for this position. 2017 to 20 passed outs. Age limit is 18 years to 30 years. Only male candidates are eligible. For selected candidates, salary is 13,000 per month. And as well as for junior level position, salary is 1,64,000 per annum. And as well as for senior level experienced candidates, salary is up to 4 lakhs. And job location is, we had many job location viewers. Please do refer once. Renigutta, Chittoor. Employee type is permanent. Freshers and experienced both can apply for this position. Interested candidates can attend walk-in interview on 8th March 2021. 9 am is the reporting time, with updated resume, updated Aadhaar card, passport size photograph, 10th class mark sheet, 12th class mark sheet, degree mark sheet, consolidated all semesters, and as well as company providing incentives and any other benefits. Yeah, sure, definitely company providing transportation facility and as well as subsidized food. Interested candidates can attend walk-in interview, and this notification is from Tirupati, Chittoor. Next job notification from EZE, work location Hyderabad, Nanamkuram Guda. Hiring associate software engineering position. Bachelor degree is required. Good knowledge in JavaScript, any programming language. Training internship at SDET QA. Knowledge on any database. Strong communication and collaboration skills. Participation in large scale collaborative projects. Obviously, excellent problem solving skills, troubleshooting skills, attention to detail, positive attitude under stress. self-motivated, basically good team player. Interested candidates can apply for this position. Those who have done their BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MCA candidates are also eligible. Position is software associate engineering in test. So I am going to provide link in description. Through link you can apply for this particular position if it is matches to your profile. And here's last job notification from Lionbridge. They are hiring junior test engineering position, and in the same notification they even mentioned regarding job responsibilities also. Understanding functionality related to allotted module and project, testing for allotted unit as per standard, analyze available test artifacts required for test execution, execute manual test cases, defect reporting and tracking, logs individual issues and downtime. Required education is candidates who have completed their BE, postgraduates with computer knowledge and certification are eligible for this position. Even freshers can apply if they had good communication skills, basic testing concepts knowledge, intermediate level database knowledge, knowledge of any test execution tool, and as well as they highlighted few things. Candidate need to possess good analytical skills, have excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English, core Java and Selenium knowledge, and testing concepts knowledge. Interested candidates can apply for this position. Yes, job is officially posted on 3rd Feb 2021. Even it is in the active stage. Interested candidates can apply by clicking apply now button, and job location is Tamil Nadu. Hope this video is useful for you. Yes, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much. All the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe channel, hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.